Today we will explain tutorial on mold replacement of automatic laser bag opening machine. Suggest like collection. Watch it a few more times. Easy to operate by yourself. Before we begin, let's first get to know the various plate modules. It is convenient for us to operate next. So let's start with the big board module. Click on the control panel. Click on the control panel to lift the small plate. These are the 3 fixing screws for the small pressing plate. We remove it with the corresponding hex wrench. Don't put the removed screws indiscriminately. Next are the 4 screws for the protective plate. We take them down one by one. Remove the shield. Then gently lift the spring presses on both sides at the same time. Take out 2 fixed material baffles, respectively. These 4 are the fixing screws for the small tablet below. In the same way, we dismantle them one by one. Click on the large tablet in the control panel. Lift the board. Remove the small tablet below. So far, the disassembly of the large board module has been completed. We take out the molds that need to be replaced. Put the lower tablet into the corresponding card slot. Tighten the 4 fixing screws in turn. Drop the board. Turn the 2 fixed material baffles. Put it in the corresponding card slot. Click on the control panel. In the control panel, click detect whether the tie box is smooth. Lift the small platen. Put the protective plate into the corresponding card slot. Lock the 4 fixing screws in sequence. Finally, place the upper small tablet in the corresponding card slot. Click on the control panel. In the control panel, click lift board. The small platen must be centered and aligned. Finally, lock the 3 fixing screws. So far, the disassembly and assembly of the large board module mold has been completed. And then the folding knife module. Lift the nose shield. Remove the 2 fixing screws on the back first. Lift the nose gently. Then rotate the back hook 90 degrees. Fix the nose. These 10 are the fixing screws for the folding knife. We use the corresponding hex wrench. Remove them in turn. Next, open the cabinet door on the right side of the fuselage. Close the air pressure valve. Then load the 4 folding knives into the corresponding positions in turn. The standard for packing for folding knives is the outer edge of the folding knife should be in a straight line when closed. If there is any discrepancy, we can use the corresponding sliders of the folding knife to adjust the specific position of the folding knife. After the folding knife replacement is completed, put down the nose. Look behind. 2 fixing screws. To fixing screws, open the air pressure valve. Next, we can combine the control panel. Fine tuning components. Set the relevant parameters of the opening.